Well, crypto.com is the arena name, right? It's a new name, which is leaving a lot of people with a lot of questions, especially for those who are unfamiliar with crypto itself. Zarina Khairezad is at LA Live, and you can see what you did right there. You and your photographer, Zarina, I see it, the Staples Center. It's there, not there for long. So now crypto.com is on the map. Can you put crypto on the map for us?
Well, is it the Staples Center? Is it crypto.com arena? Nonetheless, it's a statement for the cryptocurrency world. I spoke with an investor and a wealth management firm to find out what cryptocurrencies have in store for our future. About 6 years ago, Kyle Clark became curious about the world of cryptocurrencies in college, so he began to invest in some Bitcoin.
It was really more for learning at the very beginning. It was to understand how it actually works, if it was anything like traditional investing, like stocks and bonds, and just understanding a little bit more about how blockchain technology as a whole operates.
At the time, Bitcoin held at about $300. Today, it's worth over $60,000 per Bitcoin. Kyle at the time sold his investments.
You know, it just shows that you never know what's going to happen with the space, but overall, you know, it's always a shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Kyle says more people are entering the space, and the digital currency and exchange platforms online are going mainstream. Recently, AEG announced that the Staples Center will soon change its name to the Crypto.com Arena after a $700 million deal. Ross Gerber is the president with Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management firm, who has also added cryptocurrencies to their client offerings.
As much as there's a traditional financial system that we're used to with JP Morgan and Wells Fargo and Chase Bank sort of like dominating this, now there's a new financial system. And that's what I think we're starting to see now as these companies, as they've grown, have more heft, more marketing dollars to spend, and more customers who are transferring over their assets.
And as more people learn about what cryptocurrencies are, Ross says it could change the way we do business in the future.
I think as merchants realize that the very high fees that are charged for credit card transactions can be substantially less using cryptocurrencies, we're going to see more and more transactions happening in cryptocurrencies as time moves on.
For Kyle, it's an opportunity that he's not willing to pass on.
This is really more of a longer term play with a lot of potential upside, but also a lot of potential downside. So just making sure at the end of the day I have something and not missing out on that boat.
A boat he's hoping to be on as more investors begin to take stock. Now, the official name change won't happen until Christmas Day, and that exterior signage that you see where it says Staples Center right there, that will change by June 2022.
All right, that gives us a couple of months to get a picture with it. Zarina, you should go do that right now. Show it to your grandkids one day. Chris.